Oh, did you sleep, Bug?
I fucking wank.
Why?
I had a snoring twat inside of me. 100 yards down the way, they heard him. 100 yards that way, they heard him.
Oh, that's a bloody shame, isn't it? I slept brilliantly. Never slept better. Oh, it's beautiful. Day 2. It's dry. Doing that over my shoulder. It's dry, but damp. No, wait there. It's not raining. That made no sense, did it? It's not fucking raining. But it's damp everywhere. What time is it now? Quarter to 9. Stewie should be here soon, he said. So we'll see. And then we're going out, fish and chips. Big ride. Over and out.
Like a motherfucker stuck. Can you picture middle finger out the window getting fucked off? Liquor, get loaded, can't control it. Nigga, pass me the blood, let me roll it.
Here he is, Chief Snorter. Let's see what today brings, eh? Over and out.
Right, Bear's here. We're going to be on intercoms, so I won't be filming much and commentating. I'll film shit, you probably won't hear me speaking. But there they are. We're getting ready to go. So if anyone falls off, I'm going to be watching. Oh yeah. If it's me, you'll never know.
Right, boys. Don't worry. See you later. You know, he off your mind. No. Just
Go on, mate.
See you later, mate.
Take me away to a much better place. Yeah, we could run away. Yeah, we could go today. Just take me away where we all feel the same. Where we all feel okay. Where we all feel no pain. Yeah, I don't wanna stay down no more. Hit me with the pain and the stab as I grow. Turn up the mic gain as I grab what I know. I want the right fame just to pass you my flow. I wanna teach the masses like classes, just out of practice. So maybe you could pass this class called life. We live then we die, so we might as well try. Not only get by before you're in the sky. I've been running long enough, think it's time now for me to face it all. Every second going by, I'm losing time now. It's time to take it on. I'm okay, I'm okay, yeah. There's no pain, yeah, there's no pain, yeah. I'm okay, I'm okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. I've been running long enough, think it's time now for me to face it all. Every second going by, I'm losing time now. It's time to take it on. I've been running long enough, think it's time now for me to face it all. Every second going by, I'm losing time now. It's time to take it on. Verse, back to the curse, hit me where it hurts. Everyone's the worst, I only got myself. I don't need any help, already been through hell. I know that you could tell, I only need a chance. I only need a plan, I'm going all in. And I'll do it cause I can. Feel like you're falling, catch yourself with my hand. I'll pull you back up till your feet feel the land, yeah. These words, the verse, it hurts. I work, rehearse, I purge the curse. These words immerse my nerves. I slur, reverse, then work, reverse. Now I talk with intent, I talk to defend. I talk to the world and I meant what I said. I talk and I blend, a speech from a friend. It's not about the life, it's what you do before it ends. I've been running long enough, think it's time now for me to face it all. Every second going by, I'm losing time now. It's time to take it on. I'm okay, I'm okay, yeah. There's no pain, yeah, there's no pain, yeah. I'm okay, I'm okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. I've been running long enough, think it's time now for me to face it all. Every second going by, I'm losing time now. It's time to take it on. I've been running long enough, think it's time now for me to face it all.
What's ride like today, Ogg? Alright?
Good.
Enjoyed it, didn't you?
I was okay, yeah.
Saw your leg pop out.
Cramping.
You had a bit of cramp. I had a sore ass. Tight bollocks.
Every time I try to bend it and put it back on my peg, it fucking kick up again. Start tightening up.
Bear broke us. Good ride, but destroyed all of us. We're all back now. Bear, if you're watching this, they're all fucked.
Rode them hard.
You have. You've destroyed everyone. It's great. I'm enjoying watching them. Some of them aren't even speaking to us now. But yeah, good ride. Ready for the next one. Here we are with Oggy. He's got to turn his bike round. You got your stand up? Yep. Oh fuck me, just bang the camera against you then. Just keep backing right up. You alright? Right, we're out for the Saturday ride. Out for the Saturday ride, Big E's back. Because we're no longer linked. Oh, see how long it is before my arse gets numb today. My heart, it beats like a drum. Dum dum, dum dum. It feels like I'm in love. I'll wank you off, yeah. Good to be back, innit, Ogg? Maverick, I can see him through the trees here, getting his fucking wires on and that. I'm filming it just in... Whoa, what's he got? He's got his little chuck on a bit of string, pulling it up like a fucking... He's caught a fish. Thinks of everything, this lad, doesn't he? Smell of shit, Ogg, isn't there? Stinks of shit, doesn't it? Smells like a woolly glove that's been soaked in sour milk. Come on and do the conga. Wank me off. It's conga night for sure.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking.
There he is. The cunt. Well, there's a stalker. There's Jesus walking on water. Me and best brother having a little brew together. We got us, pair of cunts. Cunt in his full glory. Beautiful. I put you two on it, but I think we might need subtitles.
You're having a canny day.
Turn round, shows your tops, boys, at the back. A fucking typhoon and earthquake.
We'll put a video up when we're in France. Me getting stuck in the hole. Straight away, put subtitles up. The video automatically puts subtitles up.
Honestly, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better. See, I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you...
Well, just had someone stay to go. That's been battery swapped. Someone's had a flat tyre. That's been plugged. And now we're going to turn back and go back to camp. Because it's all down to Oggy with being a Judas. I had a stone in my tyre. Thought my fucking engine had gone. So yeah. Oh fuck me, I nearly fell then. Oh, has he turned his bike off again down there, Ogg? He just had it running down there, now they can't bump it again. Well, it's been a day of excitement, it really has. And I'd like to thank the Motourev boys for this day of excitement. Oggy's shaking his little tush, yeah. So yeah, it's been eventful this one, hasn't it? Craig's got the other lad's battery on that's not charging.
So, and the other lad's got his full battery on to get him back to camp. So we don't want chance out fucking happening where Craig can't start it now. So we're just heading back to camp.
Gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Right, let's have a little game of Spot the Cunt. Surprise, Oggy.
Okay, not bad you are.
Nice whiskey. Let's rumble aboard again. Beautiful.
Get all that pack all that way yet. Oh, I've got to pack all that way yet.
Don't worry, Ogg. I'll film you.
Dickhead you are.
Might take you a while, so I might put it on fucking time lapse tomorrow. My battery holds out. What's Oggy doing? Let's have a look. Oh, Ogg.
What?
You alright?
Fuck off,
Doing a good job there, ladies, again. Hairy back, Ogg, ain't you? Your little tail's on show. Fucking full moon last night it was. Fuck that.
Yay! Go, brother.
Everyone's packing up and I'm the big fat lazy cunt walking around filming. Superfly Ogg.
What bullshit you been talking?
I don't talk bullshit, mate.
Okay.
Fucking lovely day.
Look at yours is hard to fucking
These fuckers couldn't wait, get rid of it, get fucking away from us.
I know. Your story. Fucking hell, why can't I get this fucker on me?
Go on, Ogg, you can do it, mate. You can do out, you can. He's fucked. He's absolutely fucked.
Oh, it's yours.
Don't blame mine, mate. Fucking struggling and blaming it on my airbed. I know.
No nails on it. Come up.
Come on, mate, you can do that. Just think it's like
putting a journey on, man.
Yeah.
Fucking mine drops in on.
Bollocks and all.
I've never used them. Hell. Sweat up.
You're fucking well there.
Sit. Sit.
I think I might go for a shit, Ogg.
Fucking go film yourself, you come.
Oh, fuck me, my back's gone. Oh, fucking hell. Right. Yeah, I'll have to go in a minute, Ogg.
Yeah, good.
All your straining's pushing my turd out. Right, turd time, I think. I'll have to get this out, otherwise it'd be like carrying a fucking pillion home. See you in a bit. Look what Oggy's wiping fucking tent down with. Show him, Ogg. Pair of his fucking boxer shorts.
They'd be good ones, they've got no holes in the crotch.
He's going to take them home with him as well. Can I use them wipe my bike down?
Oh, you can do.
Fuck off, I ain't touching them. Dirty bastard you are.
Go from him for me then.
No, fuck that, I ain't touching them. Fuck off. You having a break then?
working out what I need here. Boots, socks.
Don't forget shit out of the side, pass me out of the side
Yeah.
pockets, because I've got some crisp on that side, need dumping.
Inside liner's not going in, that one in there.
Where's that bag come from?
It's the clothes bag
Where was that?
in back box.
Oh right, okay. There's Typhoon. Like your sours. Don't get them crisp and that rubbish in your side. What's that shit?
Oh, that was from around my sleeping bag.
Get it in, mate. Get all that fucking
You're
rubbish
brand
in.
new, ain't it? You not want those crisps?
No, put them in, mate. Little bun.
I was going to rip this in bits and throw it on top of their trailer tent for birds in morning.
Oh, you forgot?
I forgot.
You're a fucking
Yeah,
better cunt. Fuck me, you put them
Yeah,
in.
stick them in.
Oh, for fuck's sake, get them skidders in. Out else before go.
Fucking Craig, got more carry on.
Yo, and this is what you call me bitch.
Not that one, he's mine.
This is bitch. This is my bitch.
Oh. Loves it.
Wait. Get it done, little bitch.
Right.
Okay. Job well done. Job well done, that is, boys.
Have you got? Would you like to say something to the camera?
Can you pair of lazy bastards?
That's him and Oggy, not me.
I can't lose, I'ma pass through if I have to. Teach them all like a classroom, huh? If I want it, then I get it. Work hard, don't regret it, yeah I said it, huh? Head down, I'm focused, you notice. They notice, show this, mind blowing. Keep going, showing, I'm growing. Flowing and coasting, I'm moaning. Work hard, play hard, let the party start. Can't lose when I'm giving out bars. Yeah, can't lose when I'm giving out art. Yeah, confused, man, it's just the start. I will not fucking lose, swear to God, pay my dues. Never lost in the views, and I'm not quitting soon. Never stop what I do, I'm the boss in the room. Selling stocks, making moves to the top, coming soon. I can't lose this time.
Lazy fucker's done fuck all again. Let's see if we can get any sound effects.
What are you doing, kid?
Shit on.
You are? Where are you?
Shit. Get that fucking camera off.